There's nothing like when time a man can pay gratitude forward. Unlike some DJs who feel like say yo them not owe nobody nothing, so them not forgive nobody no respect we due to them. Well, me rate out Bounty Killa in this clip I'm about to show now. I pay gratitude to the Dan Gargan, Ninja Man. Bounty Killa attack say yo, Ninja Man was the very first artist to give him a collaboration. Ninja Man was the very first artist to show him the strength. And people, me go make you take a listen. But before that, if this is your first time to Unstoppable TV and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. Make we hear what the poor people governor has said.
Ninja Man help me physically. Can't come vice. Boy, no run. He might the only one to get the combo with. You understand? When we need the help in the young days, and Ninja Man give me. And when Jamie said vice with me, never think twice. I'm at the first big arts come say, you're wicked you. And when Ninja Man tell me that, no.
Oh, Ninja.
Ninja Man.
Yeah. Low.
Out of all of the man I look up to and idolize, Ninja Man are the man. Okay?
By the way,
Ninja.
Bounty Killa. Out of all of the man them me look up to and idolize. Alright, so like when you say Ninja Man, a Killa tell me.
Yeah, Ninja Man help with.
Brother, when me mind up, me can call name in, but me not go do that. But me say a bunch of artists. Them a talk about me behind my back when Killa don't even know say me I look for the artist. Me say generally know say me want to sing. And the man said, brother, you sing a word and you hit. Imagine when you sing a line. Imagine when you sing a verse. Imagine when you sing a chorus, a whole song.
Alright, this one the vice new gun Ninja Man. Some know Ninja Man, you know.
General.
Come from foreign, you know. Them time they have big tape around the place, you know. And the man coming down big tape. And we want to hear Ninja Man reaction. So we go out there and say, Ninja Man, I look at you have one bad tune here as a plate. And you know, not a problem. Enough big artists boy that want to want to rally around that they know and play the YouTube and the man put it in here so when the man plant new gun, you know the man need to mash up in tape. From this so we extra rating or we see him going over we sang him.
Yeah.
Then when Jamie say record with him, you remember Walter PPK Saturday Night Special and Unfair. Fear. Men, me get me foot. That's the last bad song that Ninja record, you know. That song there the last real Dan Gargan fronted quality. The real Ninja where boy can't walk near, you know. Just listening to the song there, you input out him that hard pan it, you know. Cause I convince I want bad boy and I sing with. Then I look at you even know how bad me is. And when me grow further and now come listen back how Ninja go hard promise and me realize say, yo, you did bad youth. Yeah. You convince it, you know. You did and go hard by your song make up boy.
Ninja that man that
So no one can go on Ninja. And Ninja help Shabbaton. Alright? Yeah. And Ninja Man money van. The eagle eye boom boom, the eagle eye boom boom. And Ninja Man rhythm. Alright, I put on the rhythm there and Ninja Man put out the production the pan Jara label. Me want you take your protection down, you never ready for baby. Take it. The quote the melody, I believe in children and future.
Yeah man,
about Ninja Man. And the Ninja Man money make the production there. Don't I see you them come vice, you know. Wayne Smith studio that, you know. Around there as a little youth I watch them, you know. Cause two black that from here, you know. And that studio the first me go vice, you know. Cause they supposed me vice new gun, you know. If you know here you want fast new gun. Pan the rhythm with them vice the buddies say, we don't know when you say them on top on the top. And my rhythm that Wayne Smith put out that rhythm there, you know. At about 90 before me go up at Jammies. And when me go at Jammies go vice it back man put on it, but I really originally
shit.
Top secret the rhythm name. Wayne Smith first vice me before me come out to see you. Him so rest in peace. Yeah, and Tibel, him little son, and my son now.
Me have to say, me like that. I mean, no say Ninja Man must have watched that video right now and I say, yes, me pitney. Me like that. Y'all pay respect me pitney. Right? So Gargan, big up yourself. Killa, big up yourself. And every artist out there, oh Ninja Man, put on the spotlight. You don't need to start. Highlight the man and give him a strength too. You understand? Now people speaking of Ninja Man, you know say me couldn't do a topic like this and now me couldn't hear Ninja Man new tune. Me couldn't hear dark up the place one day. Now me have 2 more tune when Ninja Man release from in a lockdown and people Me not even go cut the song them. Me just go make you hear it straight through. Listen to that one here.
Jano, 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 Jano. Crazy world we're living in. Crazy corruption, crazy sin. The youths them doing some crazy thing. The world leaders not listen. Crazy world we're living in. Crazy corruption, crazy sin. The youths them doing some crazy thing. The world leaders not listen.
Crazy world, crazy people, crazy attend sit down and a pray evil. Oh, and the kids them a go sit down and raise up. When we a go have a violent free season, free up all the innocent youth where they are prisoner. Jump all the rain and sometimes they make it treason. Nine again can't fly high like an eagle. Remember man still they are something wise up the people.
Crazy world we're living in. Crazy corruption, crazy sin. The youths them doing some crazy thing. The world leaders not listen. Crazy world we're living in. Crazy corruption, crazy sin. The youths them doing some crazy thing. The world leaders not listen.
If tomorrow go never come, just make the best of today. While the sun shine, try make it. Go back and reverence, so fast and pray. And Yandy a sing a ninja man a DJ. So fi make it in a life you want fi try hard. Work and work and work so till you tired. Grandma tell me say never just a lion. No see nothing yet, there is a lot more trial.
Crazy world we're living in. Crazy corruption, crazy sin. The youths them doing some crazy thing. The world leaders not listen. Crazy world we're living in. Crazy corruption, crazy sin. The youths them doing some crazy thing. The world leaders not listen. Nothing on Twitter. It's a computer. Hitler taking the picture. Crazy world we're living in. Crazy corruption, crazy sin. The youths them doing some crazy thing. The world leaders not listen. Crazy world we're living in. Crazy corruption, crazy sin. The youths them doing some crazy thing. The world leaders not listen.
Now, me personally, I feel that song here, it named Crazy World. The rhythm named Crazy World. And that Ninja Man and Yandy fan the song. And people who don't hear the happy virus with him Ninja Man thing, you understand where the man come with dark up the place. Now the man come with a song named Crazy World. When I talk a bunch of reality in it, I want to talk to me in the comment section. You know feel that one here? Trust me. Listen to the next one.
Now hear this. But them a bad man. But them heavy like leather. Them light like feather. Chama, hear this. All know them no fulfill no threaten. All know pan no ends them no step on. All know them no confront no man, them just a run them out like minivan right and on them a no quenga. I don't chat them a no quenga. They can't step on me black them a no quenga. They want me rating to jump them a go on like say badness. Sell round no shop them a no quenga. I don't chat them a no quenga. They can't step on me black them a no quenga. They want me rating to jump them a go on like say badness. Sell round no shop so. Me send a word to the boy them mother. Tell them to want them to leave yard no bother. I no be the man you never hear when me rise up the saga. Sit them pop like a collar. No them no bad none not all. I don't follow them a follow. Blend themselves with bad weed like grabber. No them can't talk them job at them base antenna. No them a no quenga. No them a no quenga. I don't chat them a no quenga. They can't step on me black them a no quenga. They want me rating to job them a go on like say badness. Sell round a shop them a no quenga. I don't chat them a no quenga. They can't step on me black them a no quenga. They want me rating to job them a go on like say badness. Sell round a shop. True they know two man where did a bust it. Every day them walk and tough it and chuck it. But any one of them violate Ninja Man not kick no football but surely the bucket. Have something for them know me not lock it. 30 all up in a zip when me stack it. The whole world knows say me's a mad fella. Boy go hide with the wines and the cellar. That's why them a no quenga. I don't chat them They can't step on me, black them a no penga. They want me rating to job, so them go like say badness sell round a shop. So me send a word to the boy them mother. Tell her if you want them to leave yard no bother. And no be the man you not go hear when me rise up the zaga. Sit up pop like a collar. No, them no bad, no not all. Just a follow them a follow. Blend themselves with bad weed like grabber. No, them can't talk, them drop back them bass on tenor. No, them a no quenga. No, them a no quenga. I don't chat them a chat them a no quenga. They can't step on me, black them a no quenga. They want me rating to drop them a go on like say badness sell round a shop them a no quenga. I don't chat them a no quenga. They can't step on me, black them a no quenga. They want me rating to drop them a go on like say badness sell round a shop. Yes, so they know two man where did I bust it.
For sure your own Ninja Man are clean. The man they were him there. You don't know when Ninja Man there, right? And still a give a young youth a road a strength. That youth a produce a rhythm here. I want a Ninja Man little family. And Ninja Man say, yo, me a give him a strength, you know. You understand? So me a go throw a song on it and push it a road, right? So Ninja Man produce the Happy Virus rhythm. Ninja Man produce the one that me make on hear a while ago, Crazy World. You understand? And him drop a song on him little family rhythm right now. We wanna just hear. People who know what I wanna do. I wanna comment in the comment section and tell me which one of the three songs they wanna hear. Una feel more. Alright, dark up the place pan Happy Virus. Crazy World we wanna hear previously, right? Pan Crazy World with him. Either one here, we wanna just listen to. Talk to me down in the comment section. More to hear from Uno. Alright, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable. I'm gone.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.